thank you so much for your love in each and every video on my channel. With your help, we are now reaching towards 5k family member. You know what? Most of the people who sees my video do not subscribe me. So a hit to the subscribe button would be amazing. I have already showed you various tutorials like Thanga painting, Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Kalighat painting, Phat painting, Cherial painting and many more. Today we will learn a very basic Madhubani painting. All the materials that is used in the painting are detailedly linked below. So don't forget to check the description box. There is also a special surprise available at last of this video. With that being said, let's roll the intro. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Phat painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. If you want to enroll in my free workshop where I teach various Indian art forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.